This video was filmed on a close course by experienced riders under controlled conditions. Do not attempt to recreate anything shown in this video. Always wear proper safety gear and follow all local laws, regulations, and manufacturer guidelines.
Yo, what's up, dogs? Today we're building the Tasaca. How do you say it? Tasaca. All I know is this thing has freaking crazy stats. Like, stats on stats on stats. This thing is legit, bro, and it's cheap. So we're gonna build this thing today, and we're gonna check it out and see if it's worth it. Do you know how fast this thing is? 55. This is the fastest e-bike that we've ever had. This e-bike right here is breaking Jonesy Crew records.
This thing looks like it's gonna rip.
And we're gonna see, yeah, it's gonna rip, bro. And all right, without further ado, let's open it up. First look at the Tasaca. Look at, it's got this nice seat, bro. It looks aftermarket.
Oh yeah, it looks sick.
It looks sick. It looks like a gutsy. Look at, all right, so here's this Tasaca stock seat. Rizzler, that, nah. It looks like the seat that we paid like $100 for, the Thrill Seekers. It's like the same quality as that, but it already comes on the bike, so that's crazy. Anyways, the yellow just looks sick. It's like that Suzuki RMZ yellow. It's got the black wheels, and first look so far, this thing looks freaking super sick. So, what do you think? Let's build this thing. These bikes are getting nicer and nicer and cheaper and cheaper. This thing's $13.99 for sale right now. I'll have a code for you guys for a discount. It's probably like $100 off. Use my link. Go buy this thing. But maybe you don't want to buy it because we still got to go test this thing. So we don't even know if it's going to be worth it or not. So keep watching. Let's build this thing and let's go try it out. Super nice grip and really responsive throttle. All right, 420 chain in the rear. It's got a 12-inch rear tire, which is the same size as that KTM 65 right there. It already came with the kickstand install, which is super nice for install. They're nice, thick plastics. They feel really quality. That's a 14-inch front tire. We do have a super nice headlight. That thing looks freaking awesome. Handlebars were really easy to set up. It has a nice curve. The bar bend is very similar to the bar bend over here on the KTM 65. It comes stock with some really nice, like soft, squishy grips. They feel really good. Here's your headlight. Let's do it. Let's fire this thing up. First time. Ooh, we got our display here. My favorite display, hands down, is this display. I've had it on other bikes and I love it. I love it. 0,000 miles, baby. All right, I gotta do it. I gotta twist this throttle. Let's go mode 1. Mode 2. Mode 3. See, that's the fastest motor. Oh, mode 4. Oh, what? I didn't even know. Usually they just go mode 3. Honestly, I don't even feel comfortable spinning that thing around. All right. There's a mode 5. All right, I'm not even doing mode 5. That thing's cooking. All right, we got the bike built, ready to go. We're gonna do our first ride. And Riley broke his pinky. So Rowan is our test rider today. So yeah, we're gonna take this thing over to the dirt track and we're gonna see how it rips. Let's go. This thing has never hit the road yet. And he's got it fired up. You can see it's got 0,000 miles. And there's mode 1. So let's see, broken pinky guy. We're gonna have both these riders hop on this bike, and then I'm also gonna hop on this bike too. So here we go. Riley's just gonna do one lap around, nice and chill. He's gonna let us know how it feels.
I am not used to going this slow. I would be mode 5.
That was mode 1?
Yeah.
How was it?
It felt nice, honestly. It felt smooth.
It felt smooth?
Over all the bumps, it felt smooth.
All right, now we're gonna get our little ripper on there, Rowie. So we'll do a size. So Riley, again, he's 11. He fits that thing perfectly fine. Is that like a KTM 65 or a smaller?
It's like probably like in the middle of a 65 and a 50.
Okay.
50 senior.
50 senior. All right. So Rowan's gonna hop on that thing, and you can tell that he's gonna have some troubles here. Oh, he's good all day. So you know, remember how to turn it on? Mm-hmm. So key on, and then mode 1. We'll put it in mode 2 for you. And he's just gonna take off. It's always so funny watching it. Dang, and you stop all by yourself? Okay, 7-year-olds can rip the Tasaca if they have good balance. Here's him standing on this thing. He's got one leg up. And man, the bike looks sick. So what do you think?
The suspension feels so good, so smooth. When I jump that jump and I case it so hard, the suspension just feels good.
Does it feel better than your TC50? Oh man, jeez. The $1,300 bike's just crushing on your $4,000 bike. That's wild. So you like it? We got total 2 miles on it.
This is probably the funnest bike I ever rode.
All right, let me see this thing. We're gonna open this. Oh, Rowan just clicked it up to mode 5 already. All right, I'm gonna try. Oh, the suspension does feel good.
Yeah.
It's like way stiffer than not stiff. It's
like
feels,
stiff and
it feels
soft.
Yeah, it feels really good. All right, I'm just gonna go mode 2 to start off. Nah, we're going mode 4. Mode 4. Bro, this thing takes like a freaking rocket ship.
Yeah, you're flying.
When I come out of the corner, I just grab the throttle and it's like, woo!
Yeah,
this
thing flies.
I wish gas bikes had this much torque. Like the kids' gas bikes, the bigger 4-strokes and some 2-strokes have that. But like the kids' bikes are always so laggy in the beginning because you gotta wait for the RPMs to spool up and all that good stuff. But this thing just torque right off the bottom, and it feels really smooth. 10 out of 10. The Tasaca is crushing. Try press the gas.
Yeah.
Wow, that is so fun. It feels like a Cadillac.
Yeah.
It comes out of the corner fast and it just floats over everything. There was a little mouse over there.
I know, I saw it run.
You saw it run past that way?
Yeah.
It went through like the little gap. It was like, pew!
Yeah. It ran all the way into that bush.
Do you think it got it on video?
Probably. That thing ran like at 100 miles an hour.
That thing was doing it. It was like the Tasaca T500 is coming.
It was like this.
I'm gonna beat it.
It was like,
Meow.
I wanted a drag race.
I wanted a drag race. Maybe we can go pull that thing out of the woods and do a little drag race. Again, 52 volts, 5,500 watt motor, 55 miles an hour. This thing cooks. Link in the description, link in the pinned comment, discount code for you guys. Go buy this bike, use my link. And man, this was money well spent on this bike. This one's staying around for a while. So thanks for watching. Guys, hit the like button, comment down below what you think of this bike. And the first person that buys this bike and you prove that you bought it, we'll pin you up top. All right, peace.